Aggrieved candidates of multitasking staffs MTS of Education S stormed Chief Minister's bungalow, demanding the declaration of results for the written test. As the protesters marched towards Chief Minister's bungalow, a brief tussle broke out between security forces and the candidates. Speaking on the sidelines, General Secretary of Joint Action Committee Education S MTS written test completed 2016-18 batch, Laishram Ibomcha pointed out that numerous memorandums were submitted to higher authorities demanding for declaration of the pending results for MTS written test. Despite the assurance from Chief Minister to announce the results after the election, the result is being kept withheld. Due to the non-declaration of the results, some candidates have exceeded their age limit. He further stressed that although the JSC seek numerous appointments to meet the Chief Minister in the past 7 years, the JSC never got the chance to meet him. Citing about the prevailing unrest in Manipur, he expressed that the JSC refrained from implementing any stern hesitations. Amid the unrest, other departments have continued with their recruitment process. However, in the case of MTS written exam, the government has kept the results pending for many years.
Department 2016-19 की recommend की हौजी फाउदा चाही 9 सुरे चाही 9 सुरु सिबौदा नंगांगना करी ता ताबी तबा हाइतारे assembly mamang da chu thabak se haidokani haibagi report ama koi gi press media da chu koi sem masana chu hariba education की MTS haidokani haiba polama myam da thamgre election loiba column conduct loikre adu haju phawa column conduct lo chu thabak se haidopagi mami udaba amati koi gi je sina changsilakpada appointment order sem unabagi ayaba logochi चाही 9 फाउबा कोई appointment order लौरबसु हजि फाउबा सेम उनबगे या बितबा मैम जे हाइदोकनी अमसुंग हाइदोय हाइबा तंगदांगबा म खंगदबसे सुक कोइरबा चाही 9 की थबकसिना हजि फाउबा मोरन बारी हाइबिदबा लंगाक से याम तिना पेनदे